Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bitwarden browser extension and set autofill, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Bitwarden website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose the appropriate plan for your needs. Sign up for an account if you don't have one. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Downloads section. Locate the browser extension suitable for your browser. Click on the extension link to open the web store or extension page. Select the Add to Browser or Install option. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, you will see the Bitwarden icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the Bitwarden icon to open the extension. Log in using your Bitwarden credentials. If prompted, consider enabling biometric login for quick access. Once logged in, go to the extension settings. Find the autofill section within the settings. Enable the autofill feature to allow it to fill in passwords automatically. Make sure the option for autofill on login pages is also enabled. Visit a website where you have an account saved in Bitwarden. Click on the username or password field. The Bitwarden extension should automatically suggest your saved login information. Select the correct entry to autofill your credentials. If it doesn't autofill, click on the Bitwarden icon again for manual selection. Confirm that the autofill function works as expected. You are now set up to use the Bitwarden browser extension with autofill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.